Oh, don't make me laugh. Fuck, I got all this air left inside me. It won't come out. More brightness. That was a good one, right? I'm back. I got a lot of requests for making more videos. And someone even told me I should make a farting video. But I can't shit on demand, so I'm not gonna do that. So how about this? How about you make a farting video and I'll watch it. I had to burp off with someone on Skype who got me off of YouTube. I mean, I burp off. And I found out never eat macaroni before you're gonna burp because it doesn't work at all. I got schooled. His name is Booger, too. So anyway, good job, Booger. Oh, fucking the brightness is shit. There we go. I could got a little bit more for you guys. Anyway, make sure you comment, subscribe, message me if you don't have a burp off. Alright, see you guys later.